In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the owner in ClickUp. Changing a space owner is really useful when responsibilities shift in your team or when someone leaves and you need to hand over control. I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll add a few tips along the way so you know what to expect. First, open ClickUp and go to the list view of the space where you want to change the owner. It doesn't really matter which specific list you're in, as long as it's inside the correct space. Once your list view is open, look over to the left-hand side of your screen where your spaces are listed. In that left-hand column, find the space you're working with. Next to the space name, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. This is usually called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots next to the space, not on the list or folder, to make sure you're changing the settings for the entire space. When you click on the 3 dots, a menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option called All Space Settings. This opens up the main configuration area for that space, where you can manage things like members, permissions, and in this case, the owner. Inside the space settings, look for a drop-down field labeled Owner. This field shows you who currently owns the space. Go ahead and click on that owner drop-down. Clicking it will open a list of people in your workspace who are eligible to become the new owner. Now you can assign another team member as the space owner. Simply select the person you want from the list. If you don't see anyone else available to choose from, it usually means no other members have the required permissions or there are no additional members added to that space. In that case, you'll need to add them to the workspace or space first, and then come back to this setting. Once you've chosen the new owner, you're almost done. Scroll down if needed and click on the button labeled Save Changes. This step is important because if you close the window without saving, the owner will not be updated. After you click Save Changes, the new owner is assigned to the space. They'll now have the appropriate control over